Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to integrate a text to speech converter in our React application. So this is the text area or the text box where we can enter the data. And once user clicks on this button, we can hear the voice of this text.
Please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel.
So this can be anything like a label or a static text, anything, or the data entered by the user. So this can be any icon or button click. So you can integrate this in your applications in the real time. So before going to how to write the code for this, if you are a beginner or starting a new front-end technology or preparing for any interviews in front-end, you can download this app from the Play Store. As of now, it is only available in the Android. So you can see the features of this app. There are multiple interview modules here. Once user clicks on this, there are multiple hundreds of questions available here. So in order to get the answer for this, you can click on this particular question and you can navigate back. As of now, we have added 100 questions and 50 questions for different technologies. So going on forward, we will be adding 300 to 500 questions in each module of these technologies, and we will be adding the documentations as well, the quiz modules and different things. So you can download this app in the Play Store. Now coming back to our application, let us see how to do this practically. So for this, we need to install a package called npm install React speech kit. So if you are facing any issues, you can add a ---- force here, or you can add legacy PDEPs. Legacy P dependencies. So you can either add -force or legacy P dependencies here. So if you are not getting any issues, it's fine. So you can install this. So let us wait until it gets installed. So it got installed successfully. If you want to verify that, you can go to package.json and you can see the React speech kit got installed here. When I am creating this video, the version number is 3.0.1. So it may vary based on when you are creating this or when you are using this package. Now let us go back to our app.js where we are going to write entire code. So first I will take some h1 tag here to display the header. Text to speech converter in React. Now we will take a text area. So this can be anything, text area or input or anything. And after this, let us take a button, normal HTML button. And let us add some class to this. Class name will be text area style and the button will be button style. So let us create these two styles in our app.js, which we have imported here. Sorry, app.css. Let us create the styles for this text area and buttons. I already have these styles, so I will be placing this directly. So I have added these styles here. So you can copy paste from this the documentation which I will be giving in the description. So let us So first we need to import some package from the React speech kit. So we need to import use speech synthesis from React speech kit. So we are importing this reuse speech synthesis in order to convert our text from our text to speech. Now let us take a variable. In order to store the data entered by the user, we will be having some text variable and set text is equal to useState of some empty string. Now let us take, so directly if user changes this text area or input, we will be setting the text variable. We will be storing that data into this text variable. So this will be event and event dot target dot value, which will contains our data entered by the user. So let us take a button on click event here. So once user clicks on this button, on click event will be called, and here we can call handle on click method. This method we are going to create in our app.js as an arrow function method. So inside this we need to convert our text to speech. So for that we need to take constant speak equal to, we need to get this from our use speech synthesis. In order to convert this, we need to use the speak, and this will take text and convert the text. This is this one, this text is this one. So let us see whether it's working or not. So we need to click here. So listen. Now we should be able to see a text area and a button called listen. Now once user clicks on this button,
Please subscribe.
so we should be able to see or listen the text entered by the user. So in this way we can integrate the text to speech converter into our React Native application in real time. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can download this app as well. Thank you.